What happens when a woman dares to love in a world that's built to silence her? In a society where rules are everything, Anna Karenina breaks them all for love. But at what cost? Betrayal, heartbreak, and a tragic fate that changed literature forever. Let's dive into Anna Karenina, Leo Tolstoy's timeless masterpiece about passion, society, and the human soul. Summaries set in the grandeur and rigid traditions of 19th-century Russian aristocracy, Anna Karenina begins with the tale of a beautiful, intelligent, and emotionally intense woman, Anna. She is married to Alexei Alexandrovich Karenin, a high-ranking government official, much older than her. Though their marriage appears respectable on the outside, Anna feels emotionally stifled and disconnected. When Anna travels to Moscow to help her brother Stiva reconcile with his wife Dolly after an affair, she meets the dashing and wealthy Count Alexei Vronsky. Sparks fly instantly, and their connection is undeniable. Vronsky, charming and bold, begins to pursue Anna relentlessly. Despite her initial resistance, Anna falls deeply in love with Vronsky, launching a passionate affair that defies the rigid moral codes of Russian high society. As their relationship grows, Anna's reputation begins to crumble. Her name is whispered in salons and across dinner tables. She becomes a social outcast, shunned by the very people she once entertained. Meanwhile, a parallel story unfolds. Konstantin Levin, a landowner and idealist, struggles with his place in society. Unlike Anna, Levin seeks simplicity and truth. His love for Kitty, a young woman who once had eyes for Vronsky, reflects a different kind of romance, one rooted in patience, sincerity, and spiritual growth. While Anna's story is one of passion and collapse, Levin's journey becomes a search for meaning and inner peace. Back in Anna's world, things take a darker turn. She becomes increasingly paranoid and jealous, believing Vronsky no longer loves her. Her isolation deepens as even her son is kept from her by her husband, who refuses to grant a divorce to protect his social image. Vronsky, though once obsessed with Anna, starts to feel the weight of their scandalous relationship. His career suffers, their public life is restricted, and Anna becomes emotionally unstable. Consumed by fear, loneliness, and the loss of her identity, Anna sees no way out. In one of literature's most tragic and haunting moments, Anna throws herself in front of a train, ending her life in despair. It's a devastating conclusion to a story that began with love and hope. But Anna Karenina is not just Anna's story. As the novel closes, Levin, having married Kitty and become a father, experiences a moment of spiritual clarity. He begins to find purpose in faith, family, and the quiet beauty of everyday life. Through Levin, Tolstoy offers a contrast to Anna's path, a life of meaning rooted not in passion, but in humility and inner peace. Themes and reflection. Tolstoy doesn't just tell a love story. He exposes the hypocrisies of society, the double standards placed on women, and the eternal conflict between desire and duty. Anna is punished for breaking the rules that men like her brother break freely. Her tragedy is not just personal, it's social. At the same time, Levin's journey reminds us that happiness can come not from chasing ideal love, but from embracing imperfection, truth, and spiritual connection. Through its layered characters and emotional depth, Anna Karenina remains one of the greatest explorations of love, loss, and the human spirit in all of literature. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful novel summaries that dive deep into the heart of great literature. Have you read Anna Karenina? What do you think about Anna's choices or Levin's journey? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more stories that matter.